Hey there, crypto fam. Welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency and potentially change your financial future? In this video, we're counting down the top 5 cryptocurrencies to invest in 2024. From established players to newcomers with huge potential, we're covering it all. So let's get started. Bitcoin BTC coming in at number 1. We have the king of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. With a market capitalization of over $500 billion, Bitcoin is the most widely recognized and widely held cryptocurrency. Its limited supply and decentralized nature make it a store of value and a hedge against inflation. With more institutional investors getting into crypto, Bitcoin is a safe bet for 2024. Ethereum ETH at number 2, we have Ethereum, the smart contract king. With its upcoming transition to Ethereum 2.0, this cryptocurrency is poised for massive growth. Its programmable blockchain and decentralized apps dApps make it a hub for innovation and development. Don't miss out on this one. Solana Sol coming in at number 3, we have Solana, the fast and scalable blockchain. With its lightning-fast transactions and low fees, Solana is a favorite among traders and developers. Its growing ecosystem and partnerships make it a hidden gem for 2024. Cardano ADA at number 4, we have Cardano, the sustainable blockchain. With its proof-of-stake consensus algorithm and focus on environmental sustainability, Cardano is a leader in the crypto space. Its growing adoption and partnerships make it a solid investment for 2024. Polkadot. Rounding out our top 5, we have Polkadot, the interoperability king. With its ability to connect different blockchains and enable seamless transactions, Polkadot is a game changer. Its growing ecosystem and partnerships make it a high potential investment for 2024. Remember folks, do your own research before investing. These coins have shown promise, but the crypto market can be wild. Stay informed, diversify, and HODL responsibly. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next video.